Now I would like to explain experiment number 7 OSPF routing in Computer Networks Lab. First we design a topology. So we are going to do the configuration in OSPF method. We already created this topology in that first we go to router configuration ESCL lab. First we enable, then we configure the terminal, then router OSPF, then network 172.16.1.0 0.0.0 255 area 0. This will be the LAN1 configuration. Configure to router null we give. Then we go to the config the router to LAN1 network 172.16.3.0 0.0.0 3 area 0 area 0 area will be 0. Then we use WAN config WAN to network console. So you can give the network of WAN 192.168.10.4 and the multi-mask mask will be 0.0.0.3 area will be 0 and complete that. Then we do it for router 1, then we do it for router 1 CL9 enable config the terminal router OSPF router OSPF 10 network of OSPF network of LAN 2 will be 172.16.2.0. Then some subnet mask multi-mask will subnet mask will be 0.0.0.255 area 0. Then we subnet mask of, then we use a LAN for WAN v2 network 172.16.3.0 subnormal mask will be 0.0.0.3 area will be 0. Then band 2 address will be network 192.168.10.8. Collected mask will be 0.3. Then area will be 0. Once completed, then do it for router 2. Give enable, then config the terminal, then we give OUT router OSPF 10 network of 192.168.1.0 and the net mask will be 0. 0.0.0.255. Area will be 0. Then network will be 192.168.10.8. Then mask will be 0.0.3. Area 0. Then network 192.168.10.4. Then that mask will be dot 4. Area will be 0. Then the IP configuration for 3 routers will be completed. So then we ping from PC0 to router 0. PC0 to router 0, it will be successful. Then router from PC0 to PC2 pinging from PC0. So now let's see pinging from PC. Let's PC0 to PC2. It will be successful. Now we can see in simulation mode. We can in simulation mode. PC0 to in simulation mode, ping from PC0 to PC1. We'll go to switch and it will go to router and router to router, router to switch, and switch to PC, and PC to switch, and PC to router, and router 0, router 0 to switch, and switch to PC 0, and it will be successful. Then ping from PC ping from PC 0 to PC 1 will be successful. Now we'll ping from PC 1 to PC 2. It will be goes to switch to router, and router to router 2, router 2 to switch, and router 2 to PC2, PC2 to switch, and switch to router, and router to router to switch, and again come back to PC. So this will be completed. Now we open the router to see some router to see some protocols. We exit first. We show IP route. It displays the whole routing table. Here C means it's directly connected, and O means it's variably submitted. Add, and next we show IP running, config, show IP running config. Show IP running config. Now we can show the running configuration. Show running config. Now it shows the running configuration of the table. Then we exit. Then we show some protocols IP. Show IP protocols. It shows the routing IP protocols for OSPF 10 outgoing and incoming update, showing routing information sources gateway, and the distance default will be 100 and 0 NSSA. Now we can see the interfaces of show IP OSPF interface FA 0/0. It shows the IP interface 0. Network type broadcast cost will be 1. Now we can see the interface of OSPF interface serial 2/0, and the 2/0 the cache will be 64. Now we can see serial 3/0. Show IP OSPF interface SC 3/0, and the cost will be 64. Now we can see the OSPF neighbor. Show IP OSPF IBHPU neighbor show IPOSPF. It will shows the neighbors of router 0 will be, and 192.168.10 will be router 2, and 192.168.10 it will be router 1. Now we can see the database show IP OSPF database. It shows the database of uh, OSPF. Then we debug the debug IP OSPF events. OSP event debugging us on it will print hello message for every 10 seconds is on. Maximum time will be 10 seconds. Maximum will be 10 seconds. Then we stop this debugging. We use an incomplete debug IP OSPF events. Debugging is on. Courage. Then we stops the program. We use and then it will be stops. So this is the IP OSPF routing configuration for the 7th experiment.